You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names and more names of famous places, counties, towns, cities in England and the UK and more. Stay tuned, loads to learn here. Warwickshire. So the town is Warwick, not Warwick. The W is essentially to be ignored for some reason. And the suffix shire, it's not shire, it's just shire. So Warwickshire, Warwickshire. It's easy, once you know. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. I do appreciate the support, it helps me immensely. Make more of these, more videos for you here. Indeed, to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.